How did the chicken cross the road? Dog was going on that bike. No, he wouldn't. You gotta watch out for stuff like this, though. If you done went through there. All right. JP, and this is the JP way. You already see what that say on that boy? You already see what that say on that boy? Yeah. Let's go out here and see who out at the beach before the sun go fully in. Yes, sir. Okay, listen, I want to go on record and say this. It's still probably about like 88 degrees out here regular. And this is a Thursday afternoon, 5:42 to be about exact. And like I say, still very, very nice. Very, very nice out here. And we going to explore some. That's like a little park. You can go chill, relax, whatever. All the people over there having a good time, doing what they do. How do I want to cross this street? How did the chicken cross the road? My dog was going on that bike. No, he wouldn't. You gotta watch out for stuff like this, though. If you done went through there. All right. We're on the beach road now, so instead of y'all looking at me, go ahead and post this way up so that way y'all can see what's going on as I walk down. That's crazy. Another thing is, your boy, silly butt dog, I thought I was recording and everything. Mess around, wasn't recording jack. I'm like, dog, I look like what? But this boy ain't going. I ain't recording nothing, but it's all good. Yeah. Weather nice, people out having a good time. But right now we're walking down Avenida Atlantica, the beach strip. Told you all that before, man. Now you get to see. What's happening, man? You alright? Alright. How we got?